love it?
The court gallery is packed.
Is Charlie in? Notion so outrageous. The only witness the defense could produce to support it was a convicted felon. Charlie Hicks is not convicted. This is a man who is a confessed murderer. This is a man who admitted on this stand carrying out the sentences that he believed the alleged rapist of his daughter deserved.
There he goes.
Out of your hands.
Doesn't like his swing. He's gonna get out.
With those hands,
What's the driver?
lies accused your man.
There he goes. He's gonna escape.
Terrible. Knowing something is wrong does not give any
Oh, here he goes.
right. Ladies and gentlemen, yours.
Oh, here he goes. He don't like that swing, do you?
All in this court.
One more time. You gonna fight to get out of there, eh? Yeah, I know.
Now
You don't like that darn thing, do you?
word.
Here he goes. Help me! Auntie, help me! Darn it anyways.
Noose peers over his glasses. Buckley takes his seat. Jake
Okay then, boy oh boy.